take one notebook with you so that you can show me. A pen also, neatly draw margins and keep. Normal class test only. Whomever I am calling, they must show me. Almost everyone should keep your video on while showing. I will say when to show. Okay? First 3 problems I will give. After completing that, keep your videos on. No need to type the answers outside. Publicly, no need to type the answer. Show me your video. I want to check the notebooks. Properly show that. Your camera properly should face the notebook and properly show that so that we can see. Then I will do. Yes, wrong means also. It happens. Wrong means learn how to do it properly in a correct way. There is nothing, no problem in that. I will give the correct answers. Then do the correction with your pencil. Okay? Yes. Common note last, write in some other note, Kasturi. That is the only one notebook that you have what? Some other notebook take out and start writing. So without wasting our time, let us start. Write today's date and write revision test. Chapter 1 and 2. Revision test for the chapters 1 and 2. Muhammad Idris Khan. Today I started my class. Then what to do? If you know means do. Otherwise, wait for the material. You might have got the material. Go through that later. So late you have joined means what shall I do? We have completed 2 chapters. Okay. Let me give the question. Questions. Just now I have kept it ready. After I give 1 and 2, okay, show me the answer. Both. In the middle, not to say I completed. For one single sum. Find the additive inverse. 1 mark question. Of. A question minus 1 by 10. Because naturally, whichever exam cycle test or whichever test we write, positive 70. We used to have 1 mark or fill in the blank. So definitely these types of questions are important. Find the additive inverse of minus 1 by 10 and plus 17. Find the reciprocal of. Definitely these types of questions I will ask in whichever test that you write. It may be term 1 or cycle test or midterm, whatever it is. You call by any name. Reciprocal. Minus 5 by 9 and 5, 7 by 8. Just now I made these questions. 10 minutes back, I have made this many questions from the first and the second chapter. Okay. Now, after completing this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 sums, small, 1 mark 4 sums, keep your video on. Show me this. Then I will give question number 3, 4. Then we'll give 5, 6 and so on. At a time together, I cannot check. Find the reciprocal of minus 5 by 9, 5, 7 by 8. Both the lights I'll keep on. Easy. From the chapter, rational numbers. Keep your videos on and show. Harihara Sudan. It's not clear. You're showing something. Nothing is clear, ma. Reverse you kept, ma. Keep it properly. Already I'm checking only. Yes. This is correct. B1. Nicely move, Karthik Pandian. Yes. Move your notebook little bit. Yes. This I want to see. This one. Second one I want to see. Okay, by 8. First one you are showing. Show properly, Karthik Pandian. Then only we can see. Harihara Sudan. Yes. Okay. This one. Harihara Sudan. Second one show. B. 2B Shoma. Jude Bose now. Yes. 79 17. Dhanumalia. Yes. Then I will give the answers on board also. You make a tick with your pencils. Okay. Okay, ma. Harihara Sudan, Dhanumalia, Jude Bose, I have checked, ma. The other 3. Sanjana. Because the pencils are so light, some notebooks I am not able to see at all properly. John Emil, show properly. Such a long distance, how I will see? Okay. Both the question complete. One question only over, I think so. Giona, handwriting is not so good. Kanishka, yes, 2 sums only I could view properly. Okay, next 4. I want everyone to do. Arjun Yam. Yes, Kasturi. Can I show? Yes, Shivanuja, you can show. Harish. Salvia Angelin. Salvia, pencil or pen is very light, ma. Not able to see anything, Salvia. Use a dark pen. I could not see anything. Harish. Yes. Fasil Ahmad, keep your notebook straight. Afzal Raja, don't show your face, show the notebook. Sanjana, T, yes. Okay, ma. Shivanuja. Okay. Harish, show. Afzal Raja, okay. Small handwriting. Harish Yam, yes. Okay, Amendinian. It's very dark. Yes. I have checked, ma, Arjun. I have checked everybody. Because your handwriting is very small handwriting. Caleb, show Caleb. Trinity, no Trinity. I have not seen yours. Tanishka, Afzal Raja, Fazil, Arjun, Varnika, Giona, Sheikh Ali. Yes. Yes, ma. Okay. Afzal Raja, yes, I have seen yours. I can check only whether how you are doing or not. Kasturi, where are you? I couldn't see. Yes. Yes. Trinity. Ma, red color light. Trinity. What is that? Okay. Did you see my answer? You check your answer from the board. As I already told, you could understand me, know what I'm telling? Fasil Ahmad. I have not seen Diyashri. Kanishka. One thing understand, if I keep on checking the answers very minutely, each and everything, time will run. So I'll check how you are doing, whether you did or not. Answer I'm going to write here. You check that, okay? Okay. Who has not shown? Caliban. Okay. Salvia, I have checked, ma. Amrita J, yes. Amrita, show properly. Deepshika, camera on. Pugarendi. Hasana. Keep it on. I will be keeping on knowing who is not showing. We'll catch them then. Then you have to take one max period. Fasil Ahmad, Arjun, Sanjana. We got John Emil showed it. Shivanuja showed it. Okay. Now, let us pause on to this. Yes. To my screen now. Now, all of you take your pencil, right? Pencil take and check the answers, what I'm going to give. And put a small tick. Should not change the answer. Be honest to yourself. Additive inverse. Changing the sign. So first sum A answer is instead of minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. You can write 1 by 10. That is enough. B question, the answer is plus 17 answer minus 17. Additive inverse means to change the sign of the given rational numbers. Understood this? Correct means do with a pencil. Wrong means wrong. Wrong one, don't do correction by yourself. Wrong means wrong. Let it be. Now learn how to do. Reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse, the reverse. Minus 5 by 9 will become 9 by minus 5. If you have written this, it is correct. If you have taken the negative sign upwards also, okay. Minus 9 by 5 if you wrote also, it's okay. It is accepted. You children are not proper in showing to the camera. Somewhat like this, nearby how you keep, I will show you. How you will, like this, like this, like this. So very difficult to judge what you wrote. Okay, so I can check that whether how you did 4 sums or not, I checked. Okay, now check it by yourself and do the correction with the pencil. Now this is a mixed one. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 7, 47 by 8. So the reciprocal 8 by 47. 8 by 47. Correct means all 4 correct. Wrong means wrong. Give a wrong. Understood? These were the 4 sums. Plus 1 by 10 minus 17. 9 by minus 5. 8 by 47. All correct. Very good. Trinity good. Arjun good. Fazil good. Amrita correct. Good. Harihara Sudan good. Harish 3 correct. Very good. You are very honest. For that, very good for you. All correct. Sanjana, yes. Sheikh Ali, good. Kanishka, good. Jude, good. Tanishka, J, good. So must know, yes. Do with a pencil, very good. Because online classes, it is not possible for me to enter into your Salvia, good. So we can do like this one. Okay, let us pass on to the next question. Dhanumalia, good. Caleb, yes. C. You tell me how many correct, Caleb? I could see only. How many times to see? I'm checking only. Still each and everybody to enter into the notebook. Like that, if we keep on doing now, in half an hour, we can complete only 2 sums only. All correct. Very good. Afzal Raja, full correct. Muhammad Irfan, good. 3 correct, Sailesh. Good mark. So learn how to do. Let us pass on to the question number 3. Yes. Karthik Pandian, 3 correct. Yes. What we have seen was 1 marks. Now what you are going to see, this is a 2 or a 3 marks one. Evaluate by giving your answer. Start doing this. Start writing. Evaluate by giving your answer in the simplest form. Means after cancellation, must bring in the simplest form. Easy only. Evaluate by giving your answer in the simplest form. Copy the question clearly. This question alone now you will do and you will show me. Then only I will write the next question. 5 1 by 2 multiplied by 42 by 5 in the brackets 7 plus 1 by 7. Do this. I know the answers already. I have solved in my notebook. After this, keep your video on and show me. I'll check everyone's video. Then I will be doing here. The correction you should do with the yes, ma. You have to do this now. 5 1 by 2 multiplied by 42 by 5 in the bracket 7 plus 1 by 7. This is simplification. Just to simplify, no, full step-by-step simplification. I already told before starting this, not 2 or 3 marks question. I can give the either 2 marks question in the paper or in the 3 marks questions I will give. Evaluate by giving your answer in the simplest form. First you solve this. I will check your thing. I will do this answer here. Then only we will pass on to the next. If I don't give the correct answer, there is no use. Yes. Somebody is showing 50 by 7. Yes. Jude, little bit move your notebook upwards. I could see only 2 steps. Jude boss. Little bit more. Yes, correct answer. Good. Good, ma. Super. Close it, Jude. Correct. Super. Like that I want. How he showed, like that. In 2-3 steps you will get. After showing, close your notebook. That is enough. Let the others to complete. Yes. No, Dhanumalia. No. It's not correct. LCM you should take for this. Then cancellation. Multiplication symbol. Here also multiplication bracket means. Harihara Sudan, keep your notebook straight, ma. Yes. After cancellation, yes. Harihara Sudan, little bit move it upwards. Cancellation, okay, I could see. No, answer, last answer I want to see, Harihara Sudan. Arjun. Arjun, move your notebook upwards. Upwards. Yes. Correct. Arjun, correct, super. Harihara Sudan, move your notebook little bit upward direction. Up to cancellation, correct, ra? Last answer. Steady, okay, answer. Okay, correct. Answer alone I want to see. That you are not showing properly. Can I show? Yes, Shivanuja, you can show. 3:30, super. Harihara Sudan, correct. Abba, that only I was waiting. Because long size you are writing, no, not able to see properly. Amrita. Amrita, move your notebook, ma. I could see 1 step only, da, of this question. I could see the previous questions and all. Yes. Correct, good. Amrita, correct. Shivanuja, camera is not correct. Answer is correct, ma. Correct. Diyashri, move the notebook little bit, Diyashri. I could see only 50 by 7. After that, what is there? I must see, no. Varnika, cancellation. Where you took LCM 49. Varnika, correct. Tanishka. Varnika, correct, ma. You can close, ma. Once I say correct, good, close it. Diyashri, not visible properly. Tanishka J. Correct, Tanishka J. Correct. 2 Tanishkas were there, no? Before. Correct, ma. Yes. Hasan. Okay, ma. Dhanumalia. Salvia. Change the pen, Salvia. Pencil, I think I couldn't see anything. It's very dull. Writing pen, no, pen. Dark pen. See how the others are using. And use like that. Sanjana T. Yes. Yes, ma. Sanjana, move your notebook upward. Up, answer. Ah, yes, correct. I should see that now. Okay. Okay, Salvia, please change your pen. I could see it's correct, but it's very difficult to see your notebook. Use a dark one. John Emil, yes. Okay, John. Afzal Raja, yes. Yes, ma. Okay. Dhanmalia, okay. The other, now. Look at the board. Now. Ziona. Amindinian. Amindinian, show the notebook properly, ma. Sanjana Hassan Varnika. Rahul Ranjan. Where is your notebook? Karthik Pandian. This question he didn't show. Kasturi Mahadevan should show. Sheikh Ali also. Sailesh sitting quietly. Harish, Fasil, Trinity. Confused and writing from first. Okay. It's okay. In a hurry, you cannot do. I agree. Shamira, yes. Ziona. Okay, good. Dhanmalia, good ma. Shamira. What color? Ceiling fan is rotating properly only, Shamira. Show the notebook. Sheikh Ali, yes. Okay, ma. Okay. I'll give now here. Now correct with your pencils. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. First step should be like this. 42 by 5. Bracket means multiplication symbol only. Either you can write inside bracket itself or you can write like this. 7 LCM, 7 by 1. Nothing is there means 1. Okay. Short way of taking LCM, 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 1, 50. 50 by 7. Either you can write it inside bracket ma, or you can bring outside and do like this. Both are correct. I can cancel these three, any denominator with any numerator. Now 7 and 42, I know tables. 1 sevens are 7, 6 sevens are. 7 table I used. You want whatever with the, when it goes, you can do with the 2 and 42 also you can do. That's your wish. 1 5s are 5, 10 5s are 50. 5 table. Then 2 here, 10 here, 6 here. Let me do with this. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Denominator all we got 1 1 1. Okay. What is in the numerator? 11, 3, 10. 11 into 3 into 10. By denominator 1 1 1 is 1 only, no need to write. So 3 10s are 30. 30 multiplied by this 3 11s are 33, 1 0. So 330 if you get, your answer is correct. Yes, very good. If it is wrong, learn it how to do. Yes, good. So this is the way to simplify. To bring that, I can give any numbers here. Okay? Properly. Okay, Fazil, it's okay if it is wrong. Now learn how to do. Princeton correct. Harish correct. Okay. So after this, LCM important, then cancellation, then to do. Simple. These all review exercise question only. Yes, I am not erasing. Quickly want to copy means copy. If you all are correct, very good. Some mistakes are there means put a wrong with your pencil and there itself you do the correct process. Here, after writing wrong, do the correct process. How it is. I have shown that on 1 step, 2 steps. 2 steps on. This is the question. 2 steps, copy down so that you will know if I give in the cycle test, it will be easy. And one thing remember, cycle test I will change the numbers. Instead of here, I will give some other number. Instead of this, I will give some other number. But procedure, same. Numbers, I will change. Never try to copy from anywhere, because definitely you know that I will change the number. Last year in all the tests I have changed the number. Okay, good. Let us pass on to the question 4 now. We need time, Noma, to do. Now, this is very easy. 1 mark. This is. Start writing. Simplify. A question. Modulus. Minus is outside is equal to dash. Write it and write the answer there only, ma. Minus is there. Modulus is there. Able to see clearly? I hope so. That's what I keep always my mobile phone very closer to the board. John Emil, you should have revised properly. I told you to revise from the material. Then only you can attend the test. Without revising the material, if you come and sit simply in the max class, you won't get. Modulus, this is modulus, minus is outside, inside it is there. Now don't show. After doing both the questions, show. This evaluate. After doing both the questions, evaluate. A, B. 8 power minus 6 multiplied by 8 power 4. B1. 4 power 11. The whole power 0. Yes. Sheikh Ali, no need to show anything now. Do all this. What I say, do that. I told after completion only. A, B, write answers here. Evaluate, write one step. Another step only will get the answer. 2 steps. And do this. This is 1 mark, this is 2 marks. After doing all, you can show me. Yes, super. Giona is showing. Giona, A and B were showing. B and C show me this one. This one I want to see. 8 power. Solve this still more. I want the value. Evaluate and find the value. Evaluate means itself value only. Value means not in exponential form. We want as an answer form. Yes. Minus 22. Okay. The next 2 sums, this one nobody is showing properly. First 2 only. Afzal Raja. Yes. Okay. 1 by 64. Okay. Afzal Raja. Correct. Dhanumalia. Dhanumalia, this one wrong. This one negative. Check it. Harish. No need to type I am showing. I could see that. Harihara Sudan, keep your notebook straight. This solve further. Harihara Sudan. This solve it further. Salvia, let me see here. Kanishka, Jude, Salvia. Salvia, change the pen. Change the pen, ma. I couldn't see. Kanishka. 8 power. Minus, this is negative, ma. Jude boss. 1 by should do. Okay, 1 by. Negative means how to do. I'll tell. Okay, now let me tell the answer. Because time is only 2 minutes are there. So please check your answers. Okay, all of you have did. I could see that. Now check the answer. Minus of modulus of 22 is minus outside. Modulus of 22, 22. Modulus of 22 is 22. Minus outside. This minus outside. So I wrote this minus. Modulus of minus 4 by 5 is plus 4 by 5. Plus 4 by 5. This negative will come. Okay. So minus, minus. minus 22 minus 4 by 5. Next. Next, evaluate and finding the value. 8 power negative symbol minus 6 into 8 power 4. Same way is equal to 8 power minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. I am adding the powers according to laws of exponents. What is 8 power negative? I want value. Value means what is the meaning? 1 by 8 power 2. Negative will go down. So 1 by 64. 1 by 8 power 2. 8 squared is 64. 1 by 64. If it is correct, correct. Should not write 64. Should write 1 by 64. Now what is this? Easy. 11 zeros are 0. 4 power 0. 4 power 0, 1. Anything power 0, 1. So the answers are minus 22 minus 4 by 5, 1 by 64, 1. 4 power 0 is 1. So if your answers are correct, very, very good. Time over today. So in some other class, we will see the remaining. Still more I wrote and kept. Still more simplification, scientific notation and all I wrote and kept. But I know I wrote some 3 problems extra itself. Next class again, later, one day we will give revision now, before the cycle test. That day I will give the remaining problems. Not on Monday. Not on Monday, some other class. These all review sums, ma. Today what I did, all review questions, review sums. You can check these answers in the review exercise also. Okay.